Hello and welcome to another video. So I am sick, so ignore my voice, but this is just going to be another bloopers video. So I've been recording a lot because of all of the COVID stuff. I've had a lot of little projects, so I've gathered quite a few videos to the point where I'm already started on the next bloopers video because I had too many for this one. So if you haven't watched the last one, I definitely recommend it. Most of this is centered by my pets, because they make things interesting to record, especially when I'm trying to sit on the floor to record or when they want attention. It's always an adventure. So I hope you enjoy all of the shenanigans that happen in this, and I promise my voice sounds better in these ones. So yeah, enjoy! Guys, stop hitting the lights. Izzy, B, get away from the light. Beatrix is playing with the toy in the tunnel through the box. Stop it! A little skinnier.
Someone's stealing your catnip stash.
Beatrix! This is going to be Ziva, come here! Come here, Ziva! Ziva, come here! You can do it! You can get off the bed! A squeaker in the body, and it has stuffing in it, and it's just super cute, super soft, and she could always use toys like this. Now Ziva, you're gonna have to wait for this one because I have to cut the zip tie. And along that same line, we have another one. Got tape all on you. Touch. Get out! The cats have entered the room. Are you talking? As other ones kind of in its league, so that is really nice. Why are you scratching that over there? You can leave. Guys, you are so loud. Leave the paper alone. Leave it. Purple side, I don't know if you can see, but one of them is this little like palm thing, neat thing with some feathers, and then you have a bat. Now it'd be hard to win. Hello. Oh, you missed. That was my. Ow! That worked really well. Do this. Ew! This one's still there because that doesn't work. Give them to as much as ow. As or Beatrix. There's something so satisfying about. Hey! Oh, my hip just popped. The cat litter's in the living room, which is right in the middle. Or sorry. I say sorry to the video.
I thought you already had that. Oh, we wrapped it up.
You peeked.
Yes, I did buy it and then I wrapped it for him.
I think I saw it somewhere.
It's usually what you do with presents.
What is it, a trash can?
You're spilling your drink.
Jacob gets as many as he wants. That's
It won't look right on it anyway.
I don't know what I'm doing. Squeeze. Zip it back. Squeeze. Squeeze. Oh my gosh. Squeeze both ends. Why am I going into so much detail? But I figured Dexter just knocked himself in a box off the couch. Are you struggling? Okay. Said I could learn. No treats. They are grain-free biscuits. This is going to be an, excuse me, we're super excited for this one. This video is going to be, I have a lot of money's worth of treats. Excuse me. Excuse me. Get down. Hello and welcome to another, and we're almost out, so yeah. Here's the actual like name of it. Ziva, come here. Eddie. This is why they're usually away for these. It won't be too bad. Eddie. So we have guys. They're a little less, or it's a little less like scent proof than I guess. Or not scent proof, but you know what I mean. It's just Pet City around here. To 9-inch. Now usually this specific one. Guys, what are you doing? Choose a side. Izzy's in the cat. Don't step on Izzy. Don't step on her. Guys, oh my gosh, come here. Lay down. It's pretty. Small for the pine pellets. For this, don't really. So I'm still in the excited. You're like, I know I'm not supposed to get up there, but I want to get up there.